right, so example 3 says the table below shows the frequency distribution of the number of motor vehicle accidents members of a group had over a period. All right. The first thing we're asked to do is to copy and complete the cumulative frequency column. So we need to complete the cumulative frequency column. With cumulative frequency, you're adding the frequency as you go down. So this is 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 3, 24, 24 plus 1 is 25. All right, this is still true that n is equal to the sum of the frequency. And if you add this up, you should get 25. So 25 persons took part in this survey. So the frequency is number of persons. And the number of accidents is the value. So this is the value. The value is number of accidents. So persons either had 0, persons had between no accidents and even up to 5 accidents. The next thing we're asked to do is to determine the median. Now, remember, the median is the n plus 1 over 2 th value. So this is 25 plus 1 over 2. This is 26 over 2. This is telling me that the median is the 13th value. Go back to my table. Let's identify which value is the 13th value. The first 3 values is 0. The 4th. So the 8th value is 1. The 9th. So the 15th value is 2. Now the 9th to the 15th value is 2, and the median is the 13th value. It means therefore that the median Q2, which is the 13th value, is 2 accidents. The mean, to get the mean, I need to put in a column called fx. Now fx stands for frequency times value. So fx, frequency times value. This is 3 times 0, 5 times 1, 7 times 2, 6 times 3, 3 times 4, and 1 times 5. So this is 0, 5, 14, 18, 12, and 5. The sum of fx is equal to 30, 40, this is like 54, 30, 40, 54. This is 54. So the mean x bar is the sum of fx over n, which is equal to 54 over 25, which is, using my calculator, this is 2.16 accidents. This is 2.16 accidents. All right, so the average person in the survey had more than 2 accidents. What is the probability of randomly selecting someone from the group who had no more than 3 accidents? Guys, no more than is an inequality term, and it means less than or equal to. No more than means less than or equal to. So we want the probability that the number of accidents is less than or equal to 3. Back to the table. We want to know how many persons had either 3 accidents or less than 3 accidents. That's these people here that had either 3 accidents or less than 3 accidents. That looks like it's a total of 21 persons. So the probability is actually 21 out of 25, or 0.84, or 84%. So there's an 84% chance that if you, there is an 84% chance that if you select someone at random, that from the group, that person had either 3 accidents or less. Next, we need to draw this histogram, complete the histogram. All right, so you can tell me how many persons had 3 accidents? Anybody? Hello? How many persons had 3 accidents?
0.
0?
6.
6 persons had 3 accidents. So it's 631. 6 persons had 3 accidents. So that should be here. 3 persons had 4 accidents. That's here. 3 persons, not 4. 3 persons had 4 accidents. And 1 person had 5 accidents. Now you're going to complete a histogram using a ruler. When you're doing this, you must use a ruler. You must use a ruler when you're doing this. All right. And this is what your histogram would look like. When you're drawing it, you should use a ruler.